don't believe the tracks exist.
So, they're not going to take us over the mountain?
It's okay. We'll just wait here until we find a big engine who believes us. You'll get to your kids. It'll just take a little time.
You don't understand. The children have already wished for us, and now we're late. And that's one step away from being forgotten.
You see, for us, once we're forgotten, we disappear.
Well, what about you, little engine? Could you take us?
Oh, I don't know. But don't worry. You'll find someone bigger, stronger. A real dream hauler.
We don't have time, little engine. There's nobody else.
Listen, I was wrong about you. Look how far you've come. You can handle that old mountain.
I think I can.
Yes!
Now let's go find those old tracks.